Hi guys, today we'll talk about how can you enable this sign or know how you can do that on your iPhone. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do in first, you just click on settings here. When you just click on it, then it's going to take you to your settings. It's going to show for you like this here. Then you go down, just keep going down here. So then you click here on accessibility here, just click on it. You come to next step here, it's going to show for you like this. Then you go down, just keep going down here. So then you come here to subtitles and captioning here, just click on it. You come here to show audio transcriptions here, click in this sign like you see. So then you click here on enable here, like you see here, enable transcriptions. Sorry, it's enabled with us now. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.